Every cloud starts somewhere. Behind every virtual machine, every Kubernetes cluster, and every application you deploy is infrastructure. Servers, storage, networking, the foundation everything else runs on. If you're getting into cloud infrastructure, you've probably come across names like AWS, VMware, Kubernetes, and OpenStack. AWS is a cloud provider. VMware is a virtualization platform. Kubernetes manages containers. But OpenStack? It isn't always obvious what it actually does. Is it a hypervisor, a cloud provider, a virtualization platform, or something completely different? Welcome to 5 Minutes on OpenStack. In this series, we'll break down OpenStack one topic at a time, from the fundamentals to more advanced concepts. In short, easy-to-follow videos. Let's start with the question almost everyone asks first. What is OpenStack? OpenStack is an open-source cloud platform that turns a collection of physical servers into a private cloud. Instead of managing individual servers, you manage pools of compute, networking, and storage as a single platform. Using a web dashboard, command line, or API, you can provision virtual machines, create networks, attach storage, assign floating IPs, and automate your infrastructure with tools like Terraform and Ansible. In other words, OpenStack gives you many of the cloud capabilities people associate with public cloud providers, but on infrastructure that you own and control. Let's move on to the next question. How does it actually work? OpenStack isn't one application. It's a collection of services that work together. Nova manages compute by creating and running virtual machines. Neutron manages networking. Cinder provides block storage. Swift stores objects such as backups, images, and media. Glance manages virtual machine images. Keystone handles identity, authentication, and permissions. Each service has a specific role. Together, they create a complete cloud platform. The important thing to remember isn't every service name. It's understanding that OpenStack is modular. Each component solves a different part of the infrastructure puzzle. Who uses OpenStack? OpenStack is used by enterprises, telecommunications providers, research institutions, governments, universities, and managed cloud providers like VEXXHOST. Organizations choose it for different reasons. Some want greater control over their infrastructure. Some need to meet regulatory or data sovereignty requirements. Others want to avoid proprietary platforms and build on open-source technologies. Increasingly, it's also being used to support modern AI infrastructure, GPU workloads, and Kubernetes platforms. Why should you learn OpenStack? Even if you never deploy an OpenStack cloud yourself, understanding it helps explain how modern private cloud infrastructure works. Many of the concepts you'll learn, compute, networking, storage, identity, automation, appear across almost every cloud platform. OpenStack simply brings those pieces together in an open, extensible platform that you can build, customize, and operate yourself. It's one of the reasons it continues to power production environments around the world after more than a decade of development. What is OpenStack? It's an open-source platform for building and managing private cloud infrastructure. It helps organizations provision, compute, networking, and storage through a unified platform using APIs and automation instead of manual configuration. And when combined with technologies like Kubernetes, it becomes the foundation for many modern cloud environments. In the next episode, we'll take a closer look at OpenStack's architecture and explore how its core services work together behind the scenes. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, give this video a like, subscribe for more insights on cloud infrastructure, OpenStack, Kubernetes, and AI,